Um, so I'm going to take this song, Friends. I wrote this song in the 70s. You know, we did a recording called The Mad Hatter, and it was is with Steve Gadd, Joe Farrell, My Sweet Gail was on that singing. Steve Gadd, Eddie Gomez was on that. Actually, it was a guest appearance for Herbie Hancock was on The Mad Hatter. And we did this recording, which was a lot of written music. Then we completed it faster than I thought we would, and we had more studio time. And I had these other songs that I had written for another project. But I had Steve Gadd, Eddie Gomez, and Joe Farrell sitting there. So I thought, well, let's go into the studio and record these songs. And that was the result of that was the album called Friends. And one of the songs from that album is the title song, Friends. And so I'm going to use it. I wrote it out newly. You know, Stephen, you can come on over, and I'm gonna point over here to Friends.
We can get it up on the.
No, right now I'd like to have Stephen just focus in on it so I can point to what I'm doing. Then we'll put it up on the screen. But I put this up on Sibelius the other night to show you. It's just a one-sheet lead sheet. This is how I write a simple lead sheet. I just put one vamp in at the beginning. These two chords vamp around, you know, on E flat. This could be an example of how to find a new outlet for an old song. First of all, the original key was C. That was the original key. So I moved it up to E flat for another reason, because basically I wanted to come out of a Mozart sonata that ended like that, and then I wanted to do and end up in E flat playing this song. I'm just going to continue on now. An example of finding a new way to play an old song. Right? Okay, I guess you can put it up on the screen now so I don't have to keep pointing. Okay, so there's a few possibilities in there. I don't know. I didn't have a purpose of this beyond using it as a demonstration piece to show you something.